So, good day ma'am. Today I will perform the sterile gown and close gloving. So first, preparation is remove the jewelries and other accessories on the arm and wrist. So remove my watch. And then make sure that the hand is no nails, artificial nails, and then extenders and nail polish. Then after that is inspect your hand for sores and abrasions and report the supervisor as required. So inspecting my hands, no sores and abrasions. After that is wears the following before entering the operating room: the head cap, the face mask, the eyewear which I don't have any, and the foot cover. And then after that is open the sterile pack containing sterile gowns folded inside out. After doing so is prepares the glove package by peeling out the wrapper, open while keeping inner contents sterile. Place inner glove package on sterile field created by the outer wrapper. After doing that is perform thorough surgical hand washing, brushing if applicable, and applies antiseptic anti-gel. So come on. So performing the hand washing is first soak the hand with water thoroughly until to the forearm, and then apply the soap. Make sure to clean it thoroughly. Make sure the nails are clean also. And then use a scrub. So after doing that, is you dry your hands with a sterile towel. So after that is reaches down to sterile gown package, and then lift folded sterile gown and then directly upward and step back away from the table. So reaches down and step back away to the table, and then holding the gown up, locates the neck back. With both hands grasp the inside front just below the neck. Then open. After doing so, just like I did, let the folded gown unfolded by itself, and then slip your arms through the armholes simultaneously. So ask for circulating nurse to put the glove over your shoulder. And make sure that your hands is only at the sleeve of the gown. With hands covered by gown sleeves, open inner sterile glove package. After opening is with hands covered gown, with dominant hand inside of the gown cuff, pick up the glove for non-dominant hand by grasping the folded cuff. And then after doing so, extend non-dominant hand forearm with palm up and places palm of glove against the palm of non-dominant hand. And then after, adjust the glove if necessary. And next is to the other hand. After that is grasp the gloves and underlying glove sleeve covered dominant hand, and I'll also do that, sir. I mean, ma'am. And then make sure the fingers are fully extended in the both gloves. And then after that is offers the circulating nurse to tie my waist. So that's all. Thank you.